woke up and toured St. Paul's Cathedral. We went with our good friend Rick Steves. Rick Steves has a wonderful and very well put together audio tour from different locations around London. We definitely recommend you download these at home before you start your adventures.
Cathedral. An interesting painting is The Light of the World. Rick says when it was originally painted, critics said it was too Catholic, but Victorians loved it. It was recently published as number 7 on Britain's Worst Paintings.
Memorial Chapel that honors Americans that fought in World War II. If you look closely, you will see an American rocket ship embedded in this awesome woodwork.
And now we are heading down to the cathedral's crypt. This is an area where a lot of the nation's heroes have been buried. Christopher Wren, the architect, would not have agreed with this idea.
I think the British stole the American idea that every attraction should end in a gift shop.
The graveyard in London, 1666. Looks like it says it happened because of a bakery.
A tea room next to the gift shop? Sounds legit. We treated ourselves to a midday tea before heading off to the next location. We stumbled upon Temple Bar while leaving the cathedral. It was one of the original entrances to London. No tour of London can be complete without a ride on a double-decker bus. Just take a look at Tower Bridge. So intricate. It was built in 1894.
The day were the Handel and Hendrix Houses in London. Separated by a wall and 200 years are the homes of two musicians who chose to live in London and change music.
Woohoo! A trio playing Baroque music, complete with period instruments. We're in Handel heaven now. On our walk back to the hotel, we made a quick detour to the home where Mozart wrote his first symphony. Yeah, he was only 8 years old.